Hi kids! Today I am going to talk about my rolling tin pan. Yes, we finished an item. We finished Lorac Natural Performance Foundation. And I have one thing to say about this. A+ on packaging. It has an airless pump. It goes right into it, so no caps, no nothing. I love this packaging. I love this packaging more than I love this product. Okay? I mean, it's an okay product. Would I repurchase? No. Well, maybe I would if it was on sale. I bought this for like, I don't know, it was like $10 or something. If it was on sale, with the packaging as good as it is, maybe I would buy it if I didn't have very many other options. But, great packaging. Next, we had Too Faced, the Little Black Book of Bronzers. I wanted to use 1 gram of product out of this. I really enjoy this. I think the pigmentation is starting to go. It's older. I still really enjoy this. I loved having this. I tried all the different bronzers. It was wonderful. And I'm really enjoying it still. Now, it was 216 grams. Currently, it is 217 grams. Riddle that one. So we're still going to use that for a while. Whatever. We're going to use some more of it. Okay. Oh! Next we have Dose of Colors Blush Like You Meant It, and this is in Statement. This packaging is so difficult to open up. When I first put this in my rolling tin pan project, you couldn't even tell it had been used. At least you can tell it's been used. So I'm really proud of that. I really love this color. You have to go real light-handed with this color, but it's what I'm wearing today. I do like it. It is very snappable. When I started this, I said I wanted to use 1 gram of product, which is going to be difficult because you have to go light-handed. And I feel as if I go light-handed on my makeup to begin with. I don't go through it really fast. It doesn't get big dips, whatever. It was 50 grams. It is now currently 50 grams. Next, we have my Winky Luxe Kitten palette. I really, really have enjoyed this palette. Not just because it's pink with little cats all over it, but because I really like the quality. I really like the colors. It is just a beautiful palette. As you can tell, I got a really big dip going in that color right there, which is called Cat Eye. It's my favorite color in this entire palette. You can tell this one right here. This one right here has been used quite a bit. That's Strut. I also like Cheshire down here and Romeo over here. Those are like my 4 favorite shades. Those are the shades that I use the most, especially Cat Eye though. I think that's just a beautiful color. I have that right now on my eyes, along with the Urban Decay Smoky palette. So I wanted to use 1 gram of product out of this. It was 102 grams. It is now currently 102 grams. My next product will prove to you that I think something was off with all of my weighing last month. This product right here, Physicians Formula Super CC Plus Powder. It was one of those color correcting powders with it was split into 3 parts. It had like a little bit of green, a little bit of pink, and a little bit of yellow. And then once you get through the first layer, there's nothing color correcting about it. Not that that was ever really color correcting to begin with. The thing about it is that when I weighed this powder last month, it was 66 grams. I weighed it this month. It is 36 grams. That would make 30 grams that had been used. Well, considering that there is only 8.5 grams of product in this powder, I don't see how 30 grams of product could have been used. I mean, I think I'm pretty good at math, and that just doesn't work out. I have a feeling what happened was in the back container, there must have been a brush back here that I took out. Usually I take them out because, you know, yeah, why do you need brushes? And no. My goal is to use this up. I don't know how much I've gotten through, to tell you the truth, but I like the powder. My next product is CoverFX Illuminating Setting Spray. I don't have the cap on this. I don't know where the cap went. I'm not sure if I weighed it with the cap or without the cap. Whatever. My goal is to use the whole thing up anyway, so it doesn't really matter. This isn't my favorite setting spray, but I'll use it. Occasionally it makes like those little white dots, and occasionally you get a little bit of glitter. And now the pump is starting to, like when you spray it, it seems nice and everything, but it's really hard to yeah. This was 151 grams. It is now 112 grams. I don't know if it's the light reflecting or what. I mean, it's pretty opaque, but every once in a while it looks like there's a little bit in there that you can see, and it looks like it's all the way up here. That's crazy, all the way up here, because I use it every day. I've been using it every day since November. I don't possibly see how that could be, but whatever, who knows, maybe it is. You can't take the top off, so you can't actually see. The packaging is opaque, so you can't see through the packaging. Who knows how much is in there. Next, we have J-Cat Mattifying Face Primer. This is not mattifying. It's a face primer. It's silicone, which I like. It's not mattifying. I'll use it up. Will I repurchase it? No. It was 20 grams. It is now 7 grams. I'm real close to being finished with it. And it's getting sticky and icky. I mean, there's only just the tiniest bit in there. It won't take very much longer to use this up. The only problem is that I haven't been using it lately. It might have already been used up if I had been using it. Next, we have the LA Girl Glide Gel Liner. This is my favorite liner for the waterline. I don't know. I just tried a new liner today, though, and it may be my new favorite liner. We'll have to see. But this is my favorite pencil liner. How's that? This is in Very Black. This is a repurchase. I've repurchased these a few times. I really like these. This was 6 grams. It's now 5 grams. It's not a lot smaller, to tell you the truth, but I use it almost every time I wear makeup, which is almost every single day. Next, we have the Winky Luxe Brow Pencil in Universal. I think it's just Universal. I don't think it's Universal Taupe, but that's what it is. It's Universal Taupe. Let's see. I still have a butt ton of product in there. This thing goes so slow. I've had this for months. I don't know if you noticed, but last month it had all this gold on it and everything. This month it's all white. Everything's just it's wearing away because I had it for so long. I've never had a brow pencil last this long. It was 9 grams. It is now currently 9 grams. Ton of product in this. Next, we have the Tarte Lip Paint in Get It. This is my favorite formula. I really like the Tarte Lip Paints. These are wonderful. I was going to say it's what I'm wearing, but it's not what I'm wearing. I'm wearing Brummel. But I wear this about every other day. I really, really like it. I have some more of these lip paints I haven't opened yet. I don't like to open a lot of lipsticks at one time. So as soon as I get like 1 or 2 more out of my collection, then I can open some more. And I'll tell you something, it's real hard to resist, but I am resisting. So I had weighed this in last month at 19 grams, and it is now currently 18 grams, which you can see when it's starting to come down here a little bit. You can't really tell right now, but I was looking at it earlier and it was down to here. So we're getting some progress. So with the Lorac Natural Performance Foundation finishing, I am now adding in a Scentbird Gucci Guilty. I've had this for a long time. I really like the smell, but you can't use a lot of it at one time, so it's kind of slow going. It's right there right now, and my goal is to use it up, which I shouldn't have a problem using it up. I just want to do it. So that is my rolling tin pan. We rolled one out, we rolled one in. Maybe next time when we talk, we can roll more than one of them out. So hit subscribe, hit the thumbs up, hit the little bell, do all that stuff, and I'll see you next time. Bye! So you gonna come over here and say sorry? Are you gonna sit in the corner? Come here. I don't want to talk to you. Okay, fine. You don't talk to me. You just sit over there then.